Just look at the technique, the poise, the balance. Absolutely superb. What a man. What a performance. Let's just see what he's done previously. Look at this, unbelievable scenes here at the Laithwaite Community Stadium. Oh, a lovely turn, look at that, superb. And this man, he just does not give up. Once again, more brilliance. Here's the turn, look at the turn. Oh, does he hit the corner flag? No, superb. Absolutely pinpoint from a man you can tell has just been doing this for years. The experience showing highest level here. So close now to the goal mouth. Last thing we want now is a mistake. Cameraman's got too excited there. Oh, brilliant. Just hitting those lines with perfection. Now another big moment. Here he goes, avoids the corner flag. Brilliant stop. And that's it. He's done it. Thank you very much and good night. But wait, there's more. Here we go. This is the key bit. Look at the lift. Oh, brilliant. Textbook. Absolutely textbook. That is phenomenal groundsmanship. Superb. Oh, but wait, he's off again. He's off again. Is this a lap of honour, I wonder? Superb up the far side, and that's the attention to detail from this man. Many groundsmen would have left it there, but he's just making sure that the linesmen have a clear grass at the side there as well. Absolutely superb. Past the dugouts and off into the other half. And here we go, the key moment as he leaves the ground, the poise, the balance, and the turn, and off out of touch. We can just see the blue jacket behind Mona's corner. Exit stage left. And there he is, he emerges the other side and behind the stand, and he's done it. Superb. A great performance. Superb.